Associate in Dragon. Check him out in the super glued to the action replay. Always an excellent example of that throttle and discipline. He keeps that truck settled, knowing exactly where he can push it and where he needs to pull back. All with a seamless transition in between those hits. And of course, like we know, that Cody Saucier speed. We've got the scores locked in. Let's take a look for Cody Saucier in Dragon here in the freestyle competition. He's earned a 7.823 right now. That score is good enough for 4th place. Monster Jam fans, as we move on throughout the freestyle competition here in Monster Jam, we also